veggie pots away. Here we go. We're going to start just by prepping our veg. So yeah, we're all ready for that. So do you want to peel the carrots? Emma's going to peel the carrots, and I'm going to chop some garlic. Go. That's all our veg ready. So we've done carrots, broccoli, onion and sweet corn. You can do whatever veg you want. And garlic. Yep, get the garlic. So that's that prepped. We need to put the oven on now and yeah, start making our pots. Okay, so that's all done now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually make our pots for the filling to go in. So the filling's all done. It's all cooked. Well done. So we're going to use a muffin tin and the cases are going to be made out of Filo pastry. But we need to grease the tin first, don't we? So that it doesn't stick. So if I pour in a little dash, then you can spread it around. So 4 each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, all the way up over. 1, 2, 3. There. Great. Right, so we'll pop that aside. This Filo pastry is really thin, so
we need to be very careful.
yeah, it doesn't rip. And actually we don't need to use that many. The rest can go in the freezer for another time. We need to make little squares, so I normally just cut it in half like this. Right the way down through, and then that'll be our bit that we freeze and save for later. So there we are, we've got little half and half again.
Yeah.
So they're little squares of pastry. I'm just going to get a little pot because we need to make them wet so that the pastry things stick together. And we'll go with Spider-Man pot for our water.
And the pastry is the size almost of a napkin.
Yeah, I guess it is. When napkins all folded up, they're about that size, aren't they?
Yeah.
So we just want one sheet of pastry. Let's see if we can get that.
Carefully.
That's it. And then what we want to do is we want to just dip our fingers in the thingy and run it around on the pastry a little bit. That's it, because we're going to stick another sheet on top of it and we want these two to stay together. That's it. But we're going to do it so that the corners go opposites.
Yes, like a star.
Like a star, yeah. Now you can either do 2 or 3 sheets of pastry. I like to do 3 just because it makes it a bit more secure. And we'll get those points going a different way as well now. So, another sheet.
Go the same way as the other one, like a square?
We could do, or we could kind of go in the middle of the 2, like that.
Yes.
It's starting to look a bit like a flower.
Yes.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to get our pot and we're going to pop it in
Over the top
of one of our cases so that you get this little pot kind of shape up here. Get it right into the bottom.
So that there's enough room for the veggies.
So there's enough room for the veggies. And then we're going to put a couple of spoonfuls of that in. Be careful, this is still hot, okay? 1, 2. And then on top, just a tiny little pinch of cheese. That's it. There we are, and that's how we do our pots. So we're going to do a few more, but we'll speed that bit up so you don't have to sit and watch us do them all. And then we're going to pop them in the oven and show you what they're like afterwards. Okay, so let's finish these off then. Obviously, to pop them in the oven. She's going to eat the cheese. Cool, so I think they are ready now. I'm going to get them out of the oven, okay? Let's have a look. Oh, they look good, Amelie.
Yay!
Hot. There we are. So we've cooked them just until they're like a nice golden brown. Now, do you reckon we're going to be able to get them out, or do you reckon they're stuck?
Get them out.
You reckon? Let's have a look.
I'm not going to get it out.
No. I'm hoping you can just... Yeah! You just lift them out. Perfect. And there we go. There's our little veggie pots. You be careful. That's really hot. Even the pastry's hot, sweetheart.
I can't do it.
I know. We'll just wait. We'll just wait a minute. So there we are. Veggie pots for the kiddies. So yeah, actually, and that's their dinner tonight. So they're going to eat those right now. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you like this recipe. Please do let us know if you try it at home. And obviously, if you want to follow more recipes, please click the subscribe button below. We'd love to have you follow us. Anyway, bye for now.
Bye! See you soon!